mix the dough with the ingredients like flour, sugar, etc. in a huge machine. Step 2 is flattening the dough and cutting into donut molds. Machine does everything. Step 3 is to bake the donut molds a little and then to fry them a bit in the edible oil. Now at step 4, the most delicious creams are applied on the donuts. Here we can choose various flavors. I love chocolate cream. What about you? Haha. And now it's time to sprinkle some colorful rainbow toppings or nuts or anything of your choice. Here you go. The yummy, mouth-watering donuts are ready to eat. Don't you feel like eating right away? Hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe and stay in touch for more interesting videos. Bye bye.